It's 9 p.m. on Saturday night, and I just realized that I need to just decide to be happy. I need to decide to be happy. I need to decide to be an organized girl. I need to decide to be hardworking. Like, I just need to decide. The power is already within me. Jesus Christ said He left the Holy Spirit within us. Do you understand the Holy Spirit? So, what's then left to actually achieve stuff? It's for me to decide to do it. You know, I've got everything I need right now to achieve at least the next step, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Yeah, for the wedding?
Yeah, wedding.
Guys, I'm at a wedding. I'm shooting right now. My life is so random. One moment I'm at home, next moment I'm somewhere. But look how beautiful this venue is. Oh my. Should I start looking for locations, guys? Wait, maybe... Wait. The Mwewa is here. We're shooting with the drone over there and the camera. Oh my gosh, how stunning. Imagine she walked down here from this room where she was getting ready. They've been playing gospel throughout. I love this. I think I like this little light.
Something good is about to be going on. Yeah. Baby, it's you, yeah. Yeah. Baby, it's you, yeah. You say you out there.
You're not bride and groom.
Put your hands together. I think I just met my wife. Come on. I know it's gonna be a good night. I think I just met my wife. Come on. Everything's gonna be alright. I think I just met my wife. Come on. I know it's gonna be a good night. I think I just met my wife.
Hi guys, it is Monday. It's a new bride week and I'm about to go to a new nail place. Look at my nails. I was busy breaking them off. The other ones I broke off. So I'm about to go try a new nail place I'm super excited for. I haven't found a nail place in Joburg and I've been here for August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. 8 months! Okay, maybe 7 months. I've been here for 7 months. That's insane. So yeah, I'm gonna go try a new place I found on Instagram. I'm super excited because like it looks pretty. They look pretty good, you know. She's looking cute. OOTD, babes. It's just this full white set. I'm gonna keep the cap on again. But yeah, body tea. It's so beautiful here. What the heck? Oh my, it's gorgeous here. Gorgeous.
Come on and take me where you wanna go. Please just make it a place that I don't know. What we have here is for sure.
Guys, look how beautiful the sunset is today.
You all just gotta know we can party through the night.
I have this thing where I'm just a crybaby to God. I'm always crying about something. Not too much, but like in the moment I can tell that I'm overdoing it. And God never makes me feel like I'm overdoing it. But it's like, dude, I get it. You can be sad about this issue, but let's not do that. Let's decide to be happy. Truthfully, just wake up, decide as you are right now, as you go about your day, decide I'm gonna have a good day and do good day things. You know, we don't have to overdo it. Just one step at a time. Choose to be happy. I say this with all the love in my heart. She used to be happy. Easier said, but even for me, this is me saying I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna show it so that I can consistently hold myself accountable. I'm not gonna now think this and then 2 minutes later go back to crying. No, man, enough is enough. Like, let's get it together. I'm gonna experience the 26th of April 2025 once, and I wanna make it a sad day. No, baby. No, baby. But anyways, yeah. So I decided to have a good day. What can we say? Let's go. Morning, guys. I'm here to do my lashes. This is the before. I just finished with my lashes, guys. I can't see because my contacts are off, but how pretty. Also, my hair is a mess. Don't even mind that. It's currently 10 a.m. I got here at 8. I have my laser hair removal appointment at 11:30. So I'm like, instead of going all the way home and then back to Santon, I might as well just stay here. It's either I spend money to go home, which should be like $250, and try not to spend $250 whilst I'm here. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay here and enjoy Santon. I'm rarely ever in Santon. I wanna go try this matcha spot here. So yeah, let's go try the matcha. Oh, it's so pretty here. What the heck? Guys. Ooh, this is so nice. I can come take pictures here. So cute. Laser hair time. I've just got a towel on. I've got something on, by the way. But yeah, this is the room. This is the machine. I can't feel anything. Also, it's pain-free. This is my 4th session. And yeah, it puts like a cooling thing. And then I am back home, guys. What a morning. And I was still gonna have to go to work right now. Yeah, no. Thank God we cancelled. And guys, what do you think of my lashes? Like, girl, they're more full than I did last time. And I'm trying not to do too full lashes. But these are quite full. Like, they're pretty, but it's just the fact that they're full. I don't want full lashes. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah, these are a bit too full. So yeah, I'm back home. I don't know, the lashes are decent, but I really want natural lashes. I don't want to have lashes and then I forget what my eyes look like. So I'm just going to remove some of them and then it'll be perfect. But next time I'm going to do the wet look. The wet look is natural, but it's darker. I wanted them darker. So she put the next level to make them darker, which is a lot. But I love it so much there, guys. The ladies are so sweet. Oh my goodness. I've never met sweeter people at any service provider ever. Like, so sweet. They even squeezed me in at 8 a.m. today because they were actually full. But I told her I wasn't going to be here tomorrow. So then she was like, yeah, you can come in at 8, actually. They're so sweet. Even the other lady did my lashes the first time, so sweet. I just didn't explain to her, like, I like it to be short here and then extremely cat-eyed. That's the only difference. Otherwise, these are like standard good lashes to me, you know? Then, laser hair removal. So yeah, this was my third or fourth session. I think it's my fourth. I think this was my fourth session. And I'm already seeing results, guys. I was already seeing results under my armpits after the second session. I was like, where's my hair? Is it done already? Can I stop? But obviously you can't stop because it's still growing and it's just working so much faster than I expected. Like, what? What? I'm shocked. Like, mind you, I've been putting this off for so long. I'm busy cleaning my contact. I've been putting this off for so long. Like, even when I went to see her, she was like, I saw your message from 2022. I'm like, because I messaged her in 2022, like, hey, I'd like to come in for a consultation because she offers free consultations. And then from there, you can see, you know, if you're ready and she can explain everything to you. Boy, I had already done so much research, I knew everything. Yo, one thing about this yappa. So, yeah. Laser hair removal has been great. Like, oh my goodness, great, great, great. I would have been done. It's only 8 sessions. This is my 4th session today, so I've got 4 more. Ciao, I can even stop now if I want to. Essentially, the laser lasers the hair follicles so that they get weaker. And then the hair just falls out. And then because it's weaker, it grows slower and it grows thinner. So I've been seeing the slow growth like crazy. Like, boy. And like waxing has never been a thing for me, honestly. Like, I was like, you know what, let me just get rid of this hair for good. Okay, I've tried to fix my lashes a bit. I might just leave them alone for now. I'm gonna leave them alone before I ruin it. You're ruining it. What do you guys think of my lashes? Okay guys, I cut the lashes a little. I don't know. I don't even know if they're the same. Don't even tell me anything. It's such a beautiful day today. Hey, dude, chill. I'm having my overnight oats again. I make them again. They actually weren't that bad. I'm just not used to cold oats, but like, but this is good. I'm gonna add some more honey again. I don't add sugar because obviously I don't want to have too much sugar in the morning. So yeah, that's my morning. Let me eat. Toodles. I love you guys all. I'm so grateful. Like when I think about it, I'm like, geez, what do you mean 4,000 people have decided they want to continue watching the content I curate and put out? You know, like that's so special. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I love you all so dearly. Mwah. Go out there and decide to be happy.